differentiation, accommodations, accessibility. Meeting the unique needs of all of your students can be daunting. Edpuzzle is here to make it easier. In this lesson, we'll see how embedded questions and notes can provide scaffolding, offer support, and make instruction more accessible. We'll also explore Edpuzzle's features for adapting activities to accommodate a wide range of student needs. Let's dive in. You already know that Edpuzzle videos, slides, and quizzes offer the ability to add questions, but you might not know about the customizable question features that can help you design the perfect lesson for your students, every single time. We'll start with audio. All questions appear on screen automatically, but you can also add audio to questions, their answer choices, and notes. While all students might appreciate the audio option, it is especially beneficial for students who are learning to read, students who have accommodations for text-to-speech or oral administration, and English language learners. Let's see and hear this feature in action. In addition to audio, questions and their answer choices can also be enhanced with images. Adding images is another way to support emerging readers, English language learners, and students who benefit from visual aids, whether it's an official accommodation or not. Remember, images can also be added to embedded notes. Let's take a closer look at notes. These commonly include reminders for students, quick definitions, and fun facts, but you can also use notes to add links to resources and tools that students can use during an activity. These links might be used to differentiate instruction for students who need additional scaffolds and supports, and to meet students' accommodations. For example, a math teacher might include the links to a formula reference sheet and an online calculator. Or a science teacher may include a link to a graphic organizer or a bilingual dictionary. Adding a link within a note or question is simple. Just click this button. When students click on a link, it will open in a new tab, so they can seamlessly switch back and forth between their Edpuzzle assignment and the resource you've shared. Let's review. Which of the following can be added to a note in an Edpuzzle activity? Embedded notes can contain text, audio, images, and links to helpful resources. Another way to embed these resources in an Edpuzzle assignment is by adding instructions when you create the assignment. This is a great opportunity to state the learning objectives too, to help students focus on the key information in a video, slides, or quiz activity. You'll use the same button here to add a link to the resource or tool that students can use during the assignment. Did you know you can build accommodations right into your assignments? Some accommodations are common, like extended time to complete assignments, but others can be trickier to implement in the classroom. Luckily, Edpuzzle makes it easy. Here are some Edpuzzle features that can help you make accommodations automatic. The first feature is video playback speed. By default, students can always slow down a video by clicking here. When assigning an activity, you can also give students the ability to speed up a video. This may be helpful for students who watch a video more than once and would like to speed up the video the second time they watch it. Both the default slowdown feature and the optional speed up feature put the student in control of how quickly or slowly they'd like to experience the lesson. Even if students know about these features, they may forget to use them, so we recommend teaching students how to control the video speed and even modeling it during live mode. In addition to controlling video speed, you can also toggle time limits off and on for slides and quizzes. The countdown timer, which appears while students answer questions, can add an element of fun and competition, but not all students will thrive in a competitive environment. Gamified learning, while motivational for some students, can cause others to rush, ignore accuracy, or grow frustrated. So remember, it's up to you. When assigning an Edpuzzle activity, you can turn the time limit off or on. There is no need to edit each question individually. Lastly, consider adjusting the number of attempts students have when completing an assignment. If multiple attempts are enabled, students will be able to choose to either retry or submit after their first attempt. If they choose to retry, they can change their answers to multiple-choice questions and revise their responses to open-ended questions. However, students won't receive immediate feedback about whether their multiple-choice answers are correct unless it is their final attempt. The opportunity to retry helps build students' confidence with the subject material and gives them ownership over their answers. With Edpuzzle, creating a lesson that fits your classroom's unique needs is easier than ever. Ready to learn more? In the next lesson, we'll take a closer look at how you can use Edpuzzle to collaborate with other educators and build your own content library to reuse and grow year after year.